Wesley.
What are those
Wesley.
buttons for? Keyboard? Hardboard?
Wesley.
Fingerprint and? Alright, everybody give yourself a big hand. I hope everybody will remember all the values you've learned during your workshop. And at this point, I want everybody to stand up, all the way through, and I want you guys to wear your IDs if you have now. Good, and wear your cap. We will now recite.
Sing naman, Wesley. Wesley.
Alright, you all ready, Kitty Crew? Are you ready? I can hear you. Very good, everybody. Raise your right hand. Please raise your right hand, Kitty Crew. Not the left hand, but your right hand. Where's your right hand? Very good. Right hand. Good, good. Right hand, right hand, right hand.
Then picture
Can you
siya.
tell the
Ayan,
left
picture siya.
hand, please? Can you hear me at the back? Alright, good job, everyone. Please raise your right hand. And I want everybody to please repeat after me. Everybody say I. Please say your name. Did you say your name or did you say your name? Alright. A member of McDonald's, Kitty Crew. Batch 2013. Do solemnly promise to always try my very best. To practice the good habits and attitudes I
Ato mo
learned
ito mo video. Hanta ka.
while I was in Kitty Crew
Wesley.
at McDonald's.
Ato ka dito ganyan. Tabang ka. Dari ka dito
I
lang.
will strive to be diligent, responsible, respectful, friendly, and most of all, I will try to be happy all the time. Always with a smile on my face. Say love for God. Love for God. Love for God. McDonald's, Kitty Crew. And as we all say forever, I want everybody to hold on your hand. You hold on your hand in the air. You will say forever. Okay, here we go. 3,